And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's an X98K Android TV Box. Now it's got 8K on it. That just simply means it can play 8K. It doesn't mean it is 8K. And that's all that's on the box itself. Let's open it up and take a look inside. And we've got the unit itself, the X98K, plastic feet on it. We've got USB 3, we've got an SD card reader, USB 2 port, we've got another USB 2 port, an AV port, Ethernet, HDMI cable in, we've got optical, and we've got a DC for the power. So that's all the bits and pieces there. Let's see what else we got. We've got the remote control. Not a bad looking remote, lots of buttons on it. No batteries, so you have to supply a couple of AAA batteries. We've got a HDMI cable. Doesn't feel the best quality, a bit solid. And they've supplied me with a European plug. Now I'm in Australia, so this is no good to me, it's useless. Let's see what else we've got in here. We have got some instructions. We'll open them up and have a good look at them. And as always, if there's anything you see of interest, just simply pause the video and have a bit of a read. Now the little box itself is supposed to be running Android 13. We'll be checking it out and we'll have a look at the specs to make certain they match what I bought. Now this is everything that came in the box. We have a power supply. This is a European one, not an Australian one. We have HDMI cable, remote control, small instruction manual, and the X98K Android box itself. We'll have a quick look at the manual in a few seconds. And this is the little adapter I've got, and as you can see that's starting to get a little bit unstable to plug into our power supplies here in Australia, so not overly happy with this setup so far. Now all I could find was under the Wi-Fi section it's got RAM 2 gig/4 gig, but which is it? And on top of that it doesn't tell me how much storage it's got, so that doesn't leave me feeling confident with this machine. Well, we'll see if we can find out a bit more. I'll fire it up and see what we can find. This is what it looks like when you first boot into the screen. You've got Netflix, Google Play settings, Chrome, apps and YouTube, and down the very bottom here this is where you can actually add bits and pieces to your main screen. So we'll choose, say, Prime Video, click it and get back out again, and there it is down the bottom. Now to get Prime Video working, obviously we need an internet connection, which I will set up and we will have a play with it shortly. As you can see it's running Android 13, which is a good start. We'll have a quick look at this particular video. And I'll turn the audio up a little bit. And this is an ad. So yeah, it works. Now what I bought is supposed to have 4 gig of RAM and 32 gig of ROM in it. I can't find anything on the paperwork that says that that's exactly what I've got. And I've actually had a look at the stats that are actually internal through the projector, and again I can't confirm, I don't know. So that's not looking good for this particular unit so far. I'm not very happy with this. We seem to be getting a system crash quite frequently, and you have to do a factory reset, which means you lose all the information that you've put in there. And that's a bit of a shame, because it did look like it was going to be a good unit, but it isn't. So thumbs down from me. I don't recommend this particular one, and if you do get it, well, hopefully you'll have more luck than I did. Now I've been playing around with the X98K Android TV Box for a few days now. Not happy with it. Trying to view Australian TV channels on it, well, ABC iView, doesn't work. Channel 7 doesn't work. Channel 9, that works perfectly. You can view everything on catch-up TV really well. SBS, wasting your time, doesn't work. So out of 4 Australian TV channels, 1 only works on it, and that's a little disappointing. So, and of course the fact that they've given me the wrong plug for a starter, I'm not going to recommend this. I would say, you know, save your money, buy something else. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. You know, thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment. Maybe you got one of these boxes and a bit disappointed with it as well, or maybe you're happy with it. You know, either way, please leave a comment. I'd appreciate that. And, you know, with a bit of luck, may get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.